Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. We're back again. We're back in Trinidad. We now waste no time on Trini. Wagwan. Trini. We're there with Plumpy boss, Lethal. So I think I did this one wrong. I think I did this one the other way around. So I think Plumpy boss, this K-Man 6. And then K-Man, this the 6 them, and then K-Man 6. So, we've been doing a bit of research, and apparently Plumpy boss is 7s. So, you have 6 and 7. Awar. Bumba, we 8 there. Alright, let's go. Now waste some time. Plumpy boss, Lethal. Let's jump in on now. Trinidad artist them. Big up on yourself. Cash up. Let's go. Bombo clot. Shipment arrive for forward in for the wharf. Look at that. You think I'm fishing at that? No, sir.
Yeah, I'll be killing them lethal, and I'll be going them illegal.
All I'm killing them lethal. And all I'm going them illegal. We not the license for them here. No serial number. Scratch off. No chase, no face, no case.
I'll be killing them lethal.
Yeah.
And I'll be going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah.
Buckler. It just start. Yo. War, ready everywhere. Our season now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be killing them lethal, and I'll be going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah.
Bombo clot. Yeah.
I'll be killing them lethal, and I'll be going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Stand up if you feel you are he man. All me dog them a demon. If you take your dopey at your ends we a bleach pan.
If you take your dopey at your ends we a bleach pan. Look up Plumpy boss black. Plumpy boss not talk about the bleaching cream, brother. The man a bleach by your ends, the man him kill them. A bleach by your house, a bleach at your gate. A bleach in your backyard. Anything put a foot and get what? Where? Trouble.
All me dog them a demon. If you take it up your ends we a bleach pan. Mass up K longer than tree branch. Root.
Mass up, brother. Like me say earlier, no face, no case. Mass up the K them long like tree branch. Bomba clad. That's the look on the comparison, no, man.
Take it up your ends we a bleach pan. Mass up K longer than tree branch. Root out boy something like tree chunk.
Root up boy something like tree chunk, brother. When them shot a touch your body in a brother. Bomba clad.
Enter then exit, love chat replace it like something like tree chunk. Make shot, enter then exit, love.
Shot, enter then exit. So what go on now? Shot a fly right through your body. No shot not lodge in you because them thing are powerful, brother, and a little pipe where shot a go lodge up. No, shot a fly through your flesh and boat broke going. Know that, no, man?
Root out boy something like tree chunk. Make shot, enter then exit, love chat replace it like dentist.
You love chat? Eh? You love lip? Eh? You ready? Alright, guess what go on? We are gonna replace your teeth them like dentists. We are gonna replace your teeth them with space. Space we not get no new teeth. A space you get. Suck your mother. And that you get. That way Plumpy boss I said, not me, let's go.
Make shot, enter then exit, love chat replace teeth like dentist.
Move.
Make shot in her face with direct tips. Yo BGS, check this. Shot a kick like money down a Senegal. Give them a funeral and everything we have to give the gang.
Give them a funeral and everything we have to give the gang. Everything.
Shot a kick like money down a Senegal. Give them a funeral and everything we have to give the gang.
Shot a kick like money down a Senegal. You know the Senegal international man. Yo.
Shot a kick like money down a Senegal. Give them a funeral and everything we have to give the gang. Maximum shot we no give the minimum. No left them critical. We send them in a place so spiritual.
Maximum shot, brother. Maximum. You get everything out of the clip. We're not getting minimal. We're not getting a 1 shot and 2 shot. You know why we can do maximum shot? So if I 32 whole night, you get the whole 32 plus you reload again and give one next 32, 64. Me can count, me can check. You get everything. You know why? Because we have them for waste. We have them for waste. We not shot at bullets. We not shot at guns, brother. We not send a gun to hospital. You know where you go? You go somewhere spiritual. In another world. Go meet the maker. Because that is what we do. Hallelujah.
Yeah. Maximum shot, we no give the minimal, no left them critical, we send them in a place where spiritual. Physically, them no better than we need a lyrical shot.
Physically, them boy no bad, brother. Wait. Lyrically, them pussy no better than we neither. We bad. That's what the G say, not me. Remember that Trini people. Me don't know what go on in the war, no. I'm just reacting, you know. Me not pick no side. Me not take no side. I'm just reacting to the two artists them song. So me know nobody beat me in the comment section and say me I take side. I don't know what the fuck is going on over Trinidad. Me don't know. You see me? I'm a good friend Tyreek send me. Reaction boss send me. I say react. So me a react. So me know nobody beat me. Alright? Yeah.
I don't left them critical, we send them in a place where spiritual. Physically, them no better than we need a lyrical shot. Pick them up and fling them back in the days where biblical. We no chat.
Shot, pick them up and fling them back in the days where biblical. And the olden days, you go back in back in time.
Physically, them no better than we need a lyrical shot. Pick them up and fling them back in the days where biblical. We no chat political, no show shit and subliminals. We kill boy traditional.
We no show subliminals.
We no chat political, no show shit and subliminals.
We not show shade, we not chat political, we not show subliminal. Direct him go. He might tell us direct him go. Fuck that. We don't know what shade thing. No, make the sun go and burn hot. We don't want no shade.
Pick them up and fling them back in the days where biblical. We no chat political, no show shade and subliminals. We kill boy traditional. Yo, my dog. All my dog, them a demon. And all we going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah. All me kill them lethal. And all we going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Stand up if you feel you are man. Fully done, but we kill boys to intellect.
Fully done, but we kill boys to intellect. We kill boys smart. No face, no case. If you look at him, he have him gloves on. So guess what I'm tell you right now? No fingerprints now left. You have to screwed up your pre them thing there right now.
Like Jesus Christ, no man can resurrect. Lock down the mace and flush them out there. That easy sweat like cops and no man intercept. Boy jump up and run in at it.
Bucklat. Like cops, the man I intercept or go on your place, brother.
Fully done, but we kill boys to intellect. When we step like Jesus Christ, no man can resurrect. Lock down the mace and flush them out there. That easy sweat like cops and no man intercept. Boy jump up and run in at it. But I want him, but him never get time to reflect. No when he
your mother want you know, but you never get the time for reflecting. You know why? Because you have to your little idiot friend them. You have to your little idiot friend them when not lead them. That's how the G said, not me. But
jump up and run in at it. But I want him, but him never get time to reflect. No when DJ could them start beat off on no song defect. Shall pick up it like internet and say like.
Remember say when the J could them beat off in a brother and on a sound effect, you know, a real thing, you know. Remember say I no speaker play the man and brother. You see me? Yeah, it might sound sweet, but I no speaker play them. You see me? Real thing. Real motherfucking thing.
Get time to reflect. No when you check them start beat off on no song defect. Shall pick up it like internet and search brain like a Google check.
Shall pick up it like internet and something.
No when you check them start beat off on no song defect. Shall pick up it like internet and search brain like a Google check.
Shall pick up it like internet and search brain like internet. Like Google.
No when you check them start beat off on no song defect. Shall pick up it like internet and search brain like a Google check. Yo Della, you know the badness said. Last one left the memories for recollect. Daddy ball and pray man him son can reconnect. Circle the ends and kill them friend them when them least expect like this.
That circle them ends and kill them friends with them least expect it. So them depend on them ends that play domino or play car park or whatever them do at Trinidad. We are circle them ends. That's so when them a party when them see a sexy girl a pass and things so a peace and safety, a sudden destruction and I don't know bomb buckler. That's what the G say.
Daddy ball and pray man him son can reconnect. Circle the ends and kill them friend them when them least expect like disinfect. We mop some rumors so they clean and in effect. Last time we check, we no take no disrespect. For my boys step incorrect, we mash them like a real insect. BG.
Last time we check, you know say You know, say last time I checked for really and truly, we not taking a disrespect. So any boy flip up and go, I'm gonna smash him up like inside the insect.
Last time I check, we no take no disrespect. For my boys step incorrect, we mash them like a real insect. Beach,
yeah.
Clip select, fish at them with the intro tech and beat them in the big air and school them like a junior sec. All me killing them lethal, and all we going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah. All me killing them lethal, and all we going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Stand up if you feel you are a man. All me dog them a demon. Fi take it up here your ends we a bleach pan. Mass up here longer than tree branch. Root out boy something like tree chunk. Make shot, enter then exit. Love chat shot replace teeth like dentist. Headshot in a face with the red tips. Yo BGS, check this.
Yo.
Shot my lady man, come out now, boy. Come out now, boy. Come out now, boy. Come out now, boy.
You don't want to come out. They might kill him in there now. You don't want to come out, I'm afraid. They might kill him in there. They kill him in there and done, man. Yo, what going on Trinidad, dog? Yo, Trinidad, let's have a reason. What going on over there? Talk to me. Comment section. What going on over Trinidad? I want to say a war 6 against 7 because, like me say, I don't know what going on over there. Honestly, hand on my heart, I don't know what going on over there. The first song when I ever reacted from Trinidad was 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓, where me drop on the channel before, but apparently this song dropped before 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓. So this called Lethal and 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 called No Lethal. So this is a counteraction. Just by the name alone we know it's a counteraction. So give me the rest of song them where drop in between. Cause I think this drop about a month ago or so. Give me the rest of song them where drop in between will lead up to this. More know what I go on. Like, can somebody tell me what I go on, please? Follow me on Instagram and message me. Message me on Instagram, Jamaica_words_gamer. Jamaica_words_gamer. It's right there. It's right there. The one on the end. Message me and tell me what I go on. No, see that? The one on the end. Right so. See that? Message me and tell me what I go on that. Come and know what the fuck I go on at Trinidad. You see me? Big up the Trinidad people, them still don't know say one Caribbean, one love, you know? You're gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one and want to see more, drop a like on the video. You know, so you don't like the video yet? Like the video now. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.